and we all, each one of us, have a different perspective or a different understanding of artificial intelligence. So through this series, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get as many people as possible their point of view on what is artificial intelligence. Simply, when you type on Twitter search bar, you type artificial intelligence, what you usually see is robots. You see a lot of information which may or may not be true. But what is artificial intelligence is the question. So to get an answer to that question, I am asking you, the audience, if you've got a point of view, then please put your name in the comment section or DM me, and I will bring you in here, and you can also share your point of view on what is artificial intelligence. If you're watching this on Twitter, Mir Shelley is where you can follow me and get to see all these episodes of what is artificial intelligence. If you're watching this on YouTube, then Shailendra Kumar S is my link. You can follow me there or subscribe and press the bell icon. There are lots of content there. There are more than 100 videos around artificial intelligence and analytics there. If you're watching this on LinkedIn, follow me on Shailendra Kumar. You will get a lot of content out here. And if you're watching this on Facebook by any chance, then please like this and share this video with more and more people so they can get access to all the content. Okay, guys. So today, to share their point of view, I have Amit Kurhekar from India. So give me a minute and I'll bring him in. Hi, Amit.
Hello, Shaili. Good
How are
afternoon.
you?
I'm doing great.
Very good. Welcome to the Shelley Show.
Thank you.
For
My
the
pleasure.
benefit of the audience, can you please introduce yourself to the audience?
Sure. So, hello, everyone. My name is Amit Kurhekar. I currently work with Yodlee. I lead analytics and AI delivery for Yodlee for integration of platforms. And in past, I spent over a decade with Procter & Gamble, starting Industry 4.0. And my current domain is financial technology. We at Yodlee, we actually simplify financial life for our users.
Brilliant. Okay, very quickly, what is your point of view? What is your understanding of what is artificial intelligence? Give us 2 minutes spiel.
Sure. Um, as the name implies, artificial intelligence. It's a lot of hype around what is artificial intelligence. It's been in existence last 30 years. So, and typically it is confused with cognitive intelligence. To me, artificial intelligence is something like even if you have a formula-based system which provides answers to you in a simplistic manner, it starts with that. Now, there are various types of artificial intelligence. You could think of Siri on your laptop or iPhone or your Google Assistant. That's a narrow artificial intelligence wherein a user gets specific answers to their questions. It's a kind of conversational AI. There could be also image facial recognition. That's also a type of artificial intelligence, which is very specific purpose. You upload a photo and you can get facial recognition for that person. Usually, the security agencies or secret services, they use that kind of artificial intelligence. There is also a term called artificial general intelligence, which is generically confused most of the times by most of the users. Normally, artificial general intelligence is like human-like capabilities with conversational human intelligence, kind of mimicking humans' ability to think and react in a situation, which is we are yet long way to go in that direction. There are few attempts towards that, but I would say narrow artificial intelligence or narrow capabilities are much more realistic at this point of time. You would see a lot of applications or softwares wherein you would definitely be able to experience narrow intelligence or specific abilities. So think of an autonomous car. For autonomous car, it is trained to take those decisions in a fraction of a second on edge, because all the processing happens in terms of sensors, and car takes that decision whether to stop or change the lane. um, like companies like Tesla and other companies, Google, they are piloting those autonomous vehicle technologies. So that's a very, very specific, but intelligence, artificial general intelligence, that's a bit longer way to go. And most of the companies, when they are thinking about artificial intelligence, probably they mean machine learning or deep learning, which are specifically developed capabilities for that application. Generalizing those application, probably it will take longer time for us, and take maybe a decade or two to actually generalize that. But to me, very, very specifically, if we are solving a particular problem by means of machine learning or deep learning, that's an artificial intelligence to me, and
Yeah.
it solves business problem.
Any particular use case that you want to share with the audience?
Um, in terms of use case, typically think about Google, and Google Assistant. And in case of Google Assistant, think about 5 years back when I used to actually use Google Assistant in 2012 to 15 period, and it was there. It was there in the form of Google app. And when I used to dictate via voice or actually do a voice search, it was not so accurate. And now if I see, if I'm talking, it actually can write paragraphs and paragraphs and
Mhm.
autocorrect itself. So
Yep.
that's the kind of use case which I've seen evolving, and I'm big fan of that, because it actually helps you understand how the technology has evolved over a period of time, and it's gone so much accurate over a period of time, in a way that we can almost have a conversation while talking to an Google Assistant, and it actually recognizes where I'm trying to do or what I'm trying to do, what is my intent. In some cases, it actually autocorrects and predicts what should be the keyword in those cases.
Absolutely. And to be honest, I must tell you, I'm using this phone and I've decided not to use the keyboard and instead use the voice to text methodology. And
Yeah,
guess what? It's learning over time. And as much as I'm speaking to it, it is converting my voice to text and it is correcting by itself. So, yeah, very well said. That's true.
absolutely.
It is making a huge difference to our lives. And I think the way we live, the way we talk about stuff is going to change as we go to the next decade or so. So thank you
Absolutely.
very much, Amit. It was a pleasure having you on the show and sharing your experience on and knowledge about artificial intelligence and sharing with the audience what is artificial intelligence. Thank you very much.
Really pleasure having you. Pleasure being on your show, and thanks very much.
Thank you.
Bye.
So, guys, that was Amit Kurhekar, and Amit was telling about his point of view of what is artificial intelligence. And I think he was quite right. Things are changing. We are, and that example, the use case about converting voice to text is becoming so normal on a day-to-day basis. In fact, I was watching television the other day, and on the fly they were creating the subtitles, which is amazing, and that's making our lives so easy as we go forward. So thank you very much, Amit. So guys, if you've got a point of view, and I'm sure you do, about what is artificial intelligence, then please send me a direct message wherever you are watching this on, whether it is on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, or YouTube. Just send me a direct message, and I will bring you here to talk about what is artificial intelligence. If you're watching this on Twitter, please press the follow button. If you're watching this on Sharendra Kumar S on YouTube, or if you're watching this on YouTube, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. If you're watching this on LinkedIn, then follow me on LinkedIn. And if you're watching this on Facebook, please like and share and follow my Facebook page, which is Cognitive Today. So thank you very much for watching this, and it's a pleasure having you here.